A Russian soldier's quick thinking thwarted a potentially deadly FPV, first-person view drone attack, capturing headlines as a rare display of frontline ingenuity. Facing an incoming Ukrainian drone, the soldier hurled his machine gun at the unmanned device, successfully deflecting it just before it could detonate. The soldier's rapid response, which sacrificed his weapon but saved both his own life and those of nearby comrades, highlights the evolving tactics in drone warfare. The incident underscores how soldiers are adapting to face FPV drones, a tool becoming more common in the conflict, often carrying explosives capable of causing significant casualties. This act of quick reflexes and improvisation is being celebrated among Russian troops as an example of courage under fire, demonstrating the lengths to which soldiers go to protect each other amid relentless advancements in battlefield technology. The Russian Defense Ministry announced that Russian forces repelled an attempted incursion by Ukrainian armed forces, AFU, into Russia's Kursk region. According to the ministry, the SEVER group of forces engaged Ukrainian mechanized, tank, and air assault brigades near multiple locations, including Darino, Novoivanovka, and Plyokovo, inflicting heavy losses. Over the past day, Ukrainian forces reportedly lost more than 400 personnel and 16 military vehicles, including 2 tanks, armored vehicles, and artillery units. The Russian Defense Ministry stated that since hostilities began in Kursk, Ukrainian forces have suffered cumulative losses exceeding 27,950 personnel, 179 tanks, 1,032 armored vehicles, 240 artillery systems, and other equipment.